Hello friends, hearty welcome. Are you interested in improving the well-being of people living in rural areas? If yes, then a career in rural studies is the bright option for you. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the best career for rural development. Career in rural studies is not only good from a salary point of view, but it is also brings a personal satisfaction. Let us discuss the important aspects about how to make a career in rural studies. Through a Master of Rural Studies, students are taught to focus on areas such as health, education, women empowerment, dairy development, disaster management, agriculture, and rural marketing, etc. Friends, if you are really concerned about the country's economic growth and want to improve the condition of rural areas, then it is the best opportunity for you. Master of Rural Studies is a postgraduate degree program that focuses on identifying methods required to turn rural regions into agriculturally productive areas and to improve health and nutrition of the communities of rural areas. It is a field of study that uses principles of economics, environment, statistics, and rural development, etc. Course curriculum provides a multidisciplinary knowledge and skills focusing on both theoretical and practical approach of rural development. In Master of Rural Studies, the students will be given hands-on field experience to know the reality. The students will be motivated to commit for the rural development either in teaching and research or as practitioner in the organization or institution. The syllabus of this course is supplementary for competitive examinations. Students will get scholarship as per the Government of Maharashtra rules and regulations. This course is having well-designed curriculum to nurture an expertise among the youth. Also, the program will provide intensive field work and in-plant trainings to the students. And one of the important features of the rural studies is the program is having placement cell center. Now let's have a look on objectives of the objectives of Master of Rural Studies are to create entrepreneur for rural development, to prepare students for rural development, to identify the problems associated with the rural development and to provide solutions to them respectively, to develop the personality and character of the rural student, to strengthen the capacity of stakeholders in policy analysis through research and teaching. What are the career opportunities for the students? Let's see one by one. In Master of Rural Studies program, students are motivated to use their creative potential as they learn to build venture. There are huge career scopes not only in India but abroad as well. The Government of India needs trained professionals and volunteers to run various NGOs and to help the less fortunate. Students will get jobs in NABARD and RBI after the qualifying competitive exams. The field of research and consulting will also be open to students where students can work with organizations. This course equips the students to work in the field of rural management and research and prepare them to take measures and policies for empowering the rural sectors of the nation. After completion of this course, students can be worked as project officer and project coordinator in various government projects. Last but not the least, students will get jobs in agriculture-based industries. This is the eligibility criteria for admission. Any graduates with minimum 50% marks can take admission in this course. This criteria is for open category. Similarly, any graduates with minimum 45% marks can take admission in this course. This is the eligibility criteria for reserve category students. The intake capacity of this course is 60 students and the duration of this course is 2 years with 4 semesters. The fee of the course per year is 8,100 rupees only, means total 16,200 rupees for the entire course. Friends, in first semester of the Master of Rural Studies, students will learn about fundamentals of rural development, microeconomic analysis, quantitative techniques for rural studies, cooperative and rural development, Indian rural livelihoods, introduction to accounting. There is one extension and field visit one included in this semester. In second semester, students will learn about macroeconomic analysis, research methodology for rural studies, public budget and budgetary process, economy of Maharashtra, rural development programs and policies, role of information technology in rural studies and development. Also, there is one extension and field visit included in second semester. In third semester, students will learn about rural administration, banking and rural finance, microfinance, entrepreneurship development, agribusiness and FPOs, agriculture and rural development, agro-processing and allied industries, project management, natural resource economics. In this semester, students need to work on one case study after the extension and field visit. In 4th semester of Master of Rural Studies, students will learn about environment and sustainable development, NGO management and CSR, global business environment, tourism for rural development, rural marketing, rural innovations and startup, rural insurance, gender issues in rural development, financial markets and institutions. In this semester, students will work on one project and face vivas. Now let's have eyes on the admission process. My dear friends, there is no entrance exam for admission. The admission will be given on bachelor degree level performance. Each candidate has to fill up the online admission form up to 5th August 2021. The application fee for the course is ₹100 only. For more details, the candidate may visit university's website. Also, the candidate may contact on this number. Friends, if you have an interest in this course, then complete the application process first. If you like this video, then please press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press bell icon. If you want to ask any question related to admission process, you can ask the same through comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Have a good